It's okay. Hey! Wait! It's okay. Wait! Wait!
You what?
Stop, foolish man. See, we go buy 1 million. Now you carry it away for grand. Because of that useless.
If you hit me,
Because of that
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Nonsense.
Okay. What is wrong with you people? Can't you, if you don't want to respect me, can't you respect the federal polytechnic of my cap? Do you know who is here?
You what?
I am a family barrister, for crying out loud. I am inducted. I am inaugurated into this business.
Hey!
I am not just going around everywhere. I see trouble. I land myself into it. Okay. I'm supposed to be respected. I am a barrister with curriculum, a barrister with hyphen, a barrister with POD.
You what?
If not that my LOD was delayed on the way during the time of my inaugurational identity, would I have been here roaming around, trying to make peace in the people's home? You come on ordinary road and you are fighting. Adults. Okay. Mothers. Are you okay? What did your son do to you that you are fighting your children?
Hey!
Children? Where's my children? This one is my boyfriend. I met him. I took care of him. I made him this fine. I paid for the first bedroom he was staying. I paid for it. I bought a small TV in that room.
What?
I took care of him. This one big bofu from nowhere came and took him from me. I've been calling him, he's not picking my call. Today, I decided to locate where he is.
Yeah, it's God.
Just coming this way, I was just passing on my own. I saw them by the corner kissing. I said, this buffoon.
Yes!
What was doing with my boyfriend? She had the gut to throw my wig of 1 million on the ground because of her synthetic.
Hey, will you shut up? That nonsense boasting that you want to boast now, all this vanity upon vanity that you want to bring into this matter now, I wouldn't want to take it. Okay. You wear wig of 1 million for head. You wear wig of 1 million. You wear powder now with the color. If you talk that nonsense again, you have explained what the problem is. Yes. Allow me to talk. Mr. Man, keep your mouth shut.
Okay, lawyer, make a talk. This man is lie, yo. This one is a fat liar.
You what?
This guy is that television, that TV in the house. Let me buy him. If he pants, boxers, let me buy him more. Even that stand that's where we wear now, let me buy my money.
Jesus!
Nonsense, man. How you got the claim right? You know him before. They are property. This guy near property.
It's okay.
The boss has
it's okay. Don't do property allegation. You don't do. Come on, it's okay. Calm down.
Thank you.
Calm down.
Thank you, barrister.
Chair lady, woman of the house.
Yes.
A woman leader. I'm talking to you.
Jesus!
Lady Gold International.
Hey!
Smoke organic. Yes. That man they no go.
Yeah, it's God.
Who are these mothers to me? These two women here, who are they to? You know they talk again. Onye fa kela here. Robot, onye na aro aka. Ina ere ala. Okuko mbu na eku. Who are they to you on emere makote ka we sam baby.
My. Okay.
We what can be changed? Look at what you have just caused. You see it? Because if you have answered the man that you are, all this nonsense wouldn't have occurred. Madam, how old are you?
Hey, me? Now you the ask. Allow me answer my age. See, as you see me so, I am very young inside.
Yes!
Forget the wrinkles you're seeing here. I am very young. I am just 48.
Child.
If you come inside me, you will know I'm young. 48. Old mama.
There is God, oh.
Because your last paragraph, he said if I wait.
I say if you come inside me, you will see I'm
Holy
young.
Ghost fire. Yes! I dodge you. I can never come inside you.
Chai.
Me come inside you. Madam, how old are you?
Okay, I'm 28 years. And see me, I dey fresh. Look me very well. I no value am.
Okay.
Okay, look me, check me well.
Chai.
You are 28.
Yes.
That is why you are living a don't care life. Yes! Ella here, P square back up. I don't care. Your face na 28. But your hip na 99. Wow. Stop your mouth. Orinozu.
Jesus!
The young inside. Your inside na 48. But your face na 130 something. Auntie gwe.
Hey!
Get no take and we pray happen no worry.
She what?
Ela hinya nda rota sekpo fasere mari tuo. Adi ka na akpọ nzuma o take izuma ronwe go take o take lekota okibiri agbo bia haka ke. Ya woro bere nwe mu sha mo na ge na azre TV e ntiri ulo. Can you hear me go mbe di young? Do you know that you are supposed to be a mother to this child here?
Hey!
Okay, but get to the akelo time makachum to the akelo onwo. Ntulele gwa ko te ha wepu kan to once. How dare you? Why are you bringing yourself so low? Eh? If you keep on pouring, tomorrow night you will get married and they say you have low sperm count. Yes! Just by then you must have finished throwing it anyhow. I'm a lawyer with curriculum. Mogi mona in Bechile. Mona in nwa ga na-ele m na-ele anya n'elu ụwa ma anya na-ebe m nọ.
Okay.
Mgbe ha sị na gịnị ọbara ga agwụla.
Come
on, will you shut up your mouth? You will never born waiting.
Mbe for him.
Me. So for your mind, neka ya munwa.
She what?
Liar!
Magistrate.
I said I inside.
Come on, close
Fed
that.
Okay.
Close that nonsense. You bring fibroid now for now, guy. You fertile.
Hey!
So who tell you say you fertile?
Okay.
Even if you fertile, that was then. For the fact they cross all for 80 something, forget it.
Chai.
That time when you day young, make use out of it.
I'll-
Make good use out of your time.
I'll give
Shut up.
twins
She what?
for him.
For who? Me. How?
Go and hustle. Every young man supposed to hustle.
Hey!
When you hustle and make your money, there's no type of woman you cannot see. Even woman hage jaka hanacha, who do dinda mesagole iha.
Chai.
Onye obula kwesiri kwanyere onwe ya ukwu.
Okay.
Aputa ugba jog gini na ese gị pụta na ozi yipusi akwa gị na nwaanyị ibe go na alụ ọgụ. Ha guzoro ga na adogo ofe were ga na atogo jonjokolo ka atuga ga ebe. And you are happy about it. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Mgbalele no to shi hulalo onye ohulaloli. So take on na di ohulaloli. Eh? What nonsense? Every young boy should hustle, no? Don't hold anybody responsible for your misfortune. Tomorrow is very big. If you don't plan your today very well, there will be no tomorrow for you. I take my leave. I am family barrister, a bilateral barrister. I was called into bar by federal court of induction. Nobody should put me under Ohuga. What a mess.
Lawyer, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Bless you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nonsense.
Imo